Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about reducing clip art before you trace. This is a clip art that I brought in that is the actual size of the clip art. We're going to do this. We're going to go bitmap, resample, and it's at 300 dots per inch, which is very good. Now we're going to Control D and make a duplicate of it. Move it over here. And we're going to reduce this one by 50%. Okay. Now, if we Control D again, automatically it will go too small. And let's reduce this one 25%. So now we got three different clip arts, three different sizes. Now, let's go here, bitmap, resample, 300 dots per inch. Let's take the one that's 50%, bitmap, resample. It's at 600 dots per inch, and this one's going to be at 12. So it's actually making it a better dot per inch. But here's the key. So that is a better copy, but you don't always have to go to 12 or 600. Let's take this one and convert it to a bitmap. We're going to convert it to 24-bit color because of the fact that it's color. If you use black and white on this particular one, you're going to lose some detail. It's going to ask, okay, we've converted it. Let's convert this one to a bitmap. Now let's convert the last one to a bitmap. Now here's the key. We're going to trace these now. Outline, trace, clip art. It's going to ask you to reduce it in size. You know, let's see how long it takes. I should have put a timer on this, but it's going to take some time. And then you hit OK. Your copy is going to be on top, so let's move it up. Let's trace this one exactly the same. Outline, trace, clip art. It's going to ask you to reduce it, and it should do it a little bit faster, and this would have been neat to put a timer on, but it's really going to be the third one that's going to save you the time. Press OK, move it up. Now this one is exactly the same. Trace, outline, trace, clip art. It didn't ask me because it's already small enough, and it did it a lot faster. Now here's the key. Let's move it up. They're all traced the same, but the little one is going to be a little bit better. It won't always be better. Let's go up to Object, Group, Ungroup All Objects, select it all again, left click, right click. So I'll left click fill, right click hairline. I've already done this, so I know there's a problem right there. See this double line? It's on the big one and the middle one, but not as bad. They're not as close together. Well, in the smallest one, it has actually gone away. So you've got a better, cleaner clip art. So think about the next time you bring in clip art, reduce it. And it'll save you a little time and possibly give you a better trace. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.